Life stages in English. Newborn, from birth to a few weeks old. Infant or baby, from birth to about 1 year old. Toddler, from 1 to 3 years old, learning to walk. Preschooler or young child, from 3 to 5 years old, before starting formal school. Child or school-age child, from 6 to 12 years old. Teenager, teen, or adolescent, from 13 to 19 years old. Young adult or youth, from 20 to 30 years old. Adult or grown-up, from 30 to 59 years old. Middle-aged person, usually from 40 to 60 years old. Senior, elderly, or old person, from 60 or 65 years and above. Senior citizen is a respectful term. Deceased, dead person, or the late after death. Thank you. If you want more videos like this, hit the like button and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Thank you for your time. Stay connected, stay inspired.